I love it. Let's head over here to Mr. BootDaddy Boys, huh? The trio is here, guys.
The trios are here.
How you doing, Dan?
You know, Dan, this starts our 44th year in business. Isn't that a long time?
Really?
I know. It's been a long time ago since we started this PFI, and we have a cool pair of boots here with us to talk about from Double H.
Double H boots. Martinsburg, Pennsylvania, American made. You got it. You got it. We've been to the factory several times. We're doing a special highlighting the Double H American made product on BootDaddy.com. We brought 2 styles with us. We basically have a style for anybody. We have the square toes, R toes, round toes, anything that you need. $149.99 plus we're going to send you a $25 BootDaddy gift card when you purchase one of these as well towards your next purchase.
You know, but Paul, last week we kicked off Larry's Country Diner.
Yes.
A really cool deal.
One of the biggest promotions we do.
The biggest promotion we did. The 10th anniversary. You win, you pick. As easy as it can be, as we're going to give away a Dodge Ram 4-wheel drive or a Ford 150 4-wheel drive, courtesy of Corwin Automotive in Springfield, Missouri. All you got to do is to go to BootDaddy.com on your way to Springfield at PFIWestern.com. Home of BootDaddy. There you go. Keep going. Colin, your turn.
Yeah, absolutely. We love to see all the folks that come in from all over the country. It's great. And people from Wyoming can come in and say, hey, I've been seeing Dan Miller show in Cody. Absolutely. So, yeah, just stop by in our store right there in Springfield, Missouri, right on Highway 65 and on Battlefield Road.
You know, but Dan, we're trying to think what we can put in the back of this pickup. And like some Springer Mountain Chicken or Tartar Gates. But we're going to fill that thing up with something.
I love it.
All you got to do is go to BootDaddy.com.
Awesome. I remember when the Double H boys got in the rodeo business, guys.
They did.
Yeah,
and you know they're back in it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. They are back in it big time.
I remember when they started that.
Make a great boot, American made.
It's great to have you guys here. Oh,
yes.
One of our new hoodies.
And beautiful Ann is holding up a BootDaddy hoodie. So you spend $50 at PFI and you get a BootDaddy hoodie for only $10. Isn't it? Look at the model.
Better and better, doesn't it?
Can't beat the model.
Awesome. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thanks, guys.